In this video, I will show you how to create and customize a pie chart in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll go to the top right and click on Create a Design. Then I'll select a custom size of 8.5 by 11 inches to open a new blank document. Once the editor loads, I'll head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Elements tab. I'll scroll down through the different categories until I find the Charts section. And then I'll click on See All to view all the available options. Under the Pie and Donut Charts category, I'll select the standard pie chart to add it to my page. Now I can start customizing the data. On the left panel, I'll clear out the default labels and enter my own categories: Finance, Marketing, HR, and Housekeeping. Next, I'll adjust the numbers for each section, setting Finance to 50, Marketing to 30, HR to 10, and Housekeeping to 25. You can see the pie chart update instantly on the screen. To make it easier to read, I'll go to the chart settings at the bottom of the panel. I'll click on Labels and select Show Percentages to display the values directly on the chart. Finally, I'll click and drag the corners of the chart to resize it, so it fits perfectly in the center of my design. And that's it. You now have a professional, customized pie chart ready for your project.